Okay, we'll see today. We'll try to finish off maximum portion today. Okay, find the equation of tangents to ellipse 2x square plus y square is equal to 8, which are parallel, perpendicular, makes angle. Solution. Now here, equation of tangents in slope form. Which form? It is slope form. Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. What is the formula? Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. So here 8 is equal to 1 is equal to 1. So this will get cancelled. So what is the a square value? 4, b square is 8. We will not bother whether it is a is less than b or greater than b. We have to use this formula. Now first condition, parallel to x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. M is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient. So minus 1 by minus 2, 1 by 2. This formula we have to remember. Okay. So y is equal to mx 1 by 2x plus or minus. I am applying here. Y is equal to mx means 1 by 2 root of a square. What is a square? 4 into 1 by 2 whole square. B square is 8. So y is equal to 1 by 2 x plus or minus 4 into 1 by 4 plus 8. So y is equal to 1 by 2 plus or minus, this will get cancelled, 3. Then second condition, perpendicular to, what is the line he has given? X plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. M is equal to y coefficient by x coefficient. What is the formula here? Y coefficient by x coefficient means 1 by 1, 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1 into x plus or minus root of a square 4 into 1 square plus b square is 8. So y is equal to x plus or minus 8 plus 4 is 12, root 12. Next one, making angle theta 45 degrees. So m is equal to tan theta, tan 45 is 1. Again same answer will come. Here also m is equal to 1, same answer will come. X plus or minus root 12. So we got parallel, perpendicular conditions. Okay, please note on this. Okay, next. Now find the value of k if 4x plus y plus k is equal to 0 is tangent for x square plus 3y square is equal to 3. Okay, solution. Is equal to 1. So x square by 3, y square by 1 is equal to 1. So what is the a square value? 3. What is the b square value? 1. Right? Okay. Next I am writing one formula. This formula we know, x plus or minus y is equal to mx plus c is the tangent if c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. See, we are writing tangent formula. I am writing here again, plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. Here also c is there, here also is there. So square both the sides, you get this formula. It is same. There is no change here. C square is equal to a square m square plus b square. So c square means what is that line? Given line equation. We have to rewrite this equation, sir. Plus k is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 4x minus k. So what is the m value? Minus 4. C value minus k. Therefore, c square means what, sir? K square is equal to a square is what, sir? 3 into m square is 16 plus b square means 1. So this becomes k square is equal to 49, k is equal to plus or minus 7. Here formula application, right? Observe here formula. Okay, please note on this. Next, look at this problem. Find the equation of tangent and normal for ellipse 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144 at positive end of lattice rectum. Okay, this problem is also very important for 4 marks. Okay, he is asking to find a tangent. So ellipse equation is equal to 144 is equal to 1, x square by 16, y square by 9 is equal to 1. So what is the a square value? 16 and b square is 9. Now positive end of lattice rectum is equal to AE comma B square by A. What is the formula? AE comma B square by A. If it says negative end, this will become minus sign. Okay. So positive end of lattice rectum AE comma B square by A. So what will happen? Here from this, A is equal to 4, B is equal to 3. But we require E formula. Therefore, E is equal to root of A square minus B square by A square. So what will happen? 16 minus 9 by 16. So this is root 7 by 4. So what is the point? AE comma. A is what, sir? 4. 4 into root 7 by 4 means root 7 comma. B square by A. B square is 9 by A is 4. This is the point. Now, equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. X1 by A square plus y1 by B square minus 1 is equal to 0. So here x into root 7 by A square means what, sir? 16 plus y into by1 9 by 4 by B square is 9 minus 1 is equal to 0. So root 7x by 16, this 9 and 9 will get cancelled, y by 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Multiply with 16, sir. Root 7x plus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, we are multiplying by 16. Now, normal equation. Formulas you have to remember. A square minus B square, right? A square x. A square means what, sir? A square means 16. 16x by x1 means root 7 minus B square y. B square means what, sir? 9. 9y by 9 by 4 is equal to 16 minus 9. So 16x by root 7 minus 9 will get cancelled, 4y is equal to 7. Multiply by root 7 directly. So what will happen? 16x minus 4 root 7y is equal to 7 root 7. Okay, what I have done? I have multiplied by root 7 by root 7. So here we are multiplying by 16, here we are multiplying. What is important here? Point how to identify. Okay, please note on this. Next, if tangent to x square by A square plus y square by B square is equal to ellipse x square by A square plus y square by B square is equal to 1 meets major and minor axis at m comma n respectively, then prove that A square by cn whole square, sorry, cm whole square plus b square by cn whole square is equal to 1, where c is the center. He has given last before here for 4 marks, sir. Remember this. Okay, a square by cm square plus b square by cn square is equal to 1, where c is the center. Right, now solution. Let p a cos theta comma b sin theta is the point. Okay, now tangent equation is what, sir? X cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b minus 1 is equal to 0. Parametric formula I told you. Okay, I told you this parametric formula. X cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b minus 1 is equal to 0. Or x by a by cos theta plus y by b by sin theta is equal to 1. What I have done? Cos theta I have divided, sin theta I have divided. So it is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Intercept form. Which form it is? Intercept form. Means what? For this ellipse, look at here, this tangent is at this point is m, this point is n. So it is intercepting at m, it is intercepting at n. Means it is a x intercept, y intercept. M is x intercept, which is equivalent to a by cos theta comma 0, and n is y intercept, which is given by 0 comma b by sin theta, because y intercept 0 comma b by sin theta. X intercept is a by cos theta comma 0, and this is the center 0 comma 0. Now cm is the distance between center 0 comma 0 and m point. M point is what, sir? A by cos theta comma 0. What is the distance between origin and this? It will be the same. What is that we get? A by cos theta, that is cm. Similarly, cn, distance between c 0 comma 0, n 0 comma b by sin theta, which is nothing but b by sin theta, that is cn. Right, we got cm, we got cn. Therefore LHS, what is LHS? Given a square by cm square plus b square by cn square. A square by cm means what, sir? A by cos theta whole square plus b square by b by sin theta whole square. So this will become a square cos square theta by a square plus b square by b square sin square theta by b square. B square, a square will get cancelled. What is that we get, sir? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Remember this problem for 4 marks. He has given last before here, sir. So what we have to do? We have to write the tangent equation in slope parametric form. Then draw the diagram. This will become intercept form, sir. So x intercept is a by a cos theta by 0. Y intercept is 0 comma b by sin theta. Cm is the distance between center and the point, that is m, and n is the distance between these two. So cn. So put the values there. Okay, very very important. Find the condition that Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is the tangent for x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now he is asking to find the condition. Now solution. Tangent at p theta, just now we wrote x cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, you call it as equation number 1. Given Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is the tangent. So compare cos theta by a by L means x coefficient cos theta by a, here L sir, here sin theta by b by m is equal to minus 1 by n. So what will happen? Cos theta by al is equal to sin theta by bm is equal to minus 1 by n. Therefore, cos theta is equal to minus al by n, sin theta is equal to minus bm by n. Okay, therefore, we know relation cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. What is the condition? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. What is the cos square theta? A square L square by n square plus b square m square by n square is equal to 1. Therefore, n square. Right? This is the condition. Okay. So we have to write intercept form and find the condition. Copy this. Next. Now, next one is what, sir? Find the condition that x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p is the tangent. Again, parametric formula we have taken. So this will come. Given what, sir? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p is equal to 0. Again, compare. So cos theta by a by cos alpha is equal to sin theta by b by sin alpha is equal to minus 1 by minus p. So this becomes cos theta by a cos alpha sin theta by b sin alpha is equal to 1 by p. Okay, so cos theta is equal to a cos alpha by p, sin theta is equal to b sin alpha by p. Therefore, condition cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. A square cos square alpha by p square plus b square sin square alpha by p square is equal to 1. Therefore, a square cos square alpha b square sin square alpha is equal to p square. Okay, we have found out condition. Okay, let us see next one. Next, find the condition that Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is normal for ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now he is asking normal. So equation of normal at p theta, ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. These formulas you have to remember. Ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. Given Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is the normal. We will write like this. Lx plus my is equal to minus n. Second equation, first equation. Compare. Observe here. X coefficient a cos theta by L. What is the y coefficient? Minus b sin theta by m is my a square minus b square by minus n. Right? Therefore, a by L cos theta is equal to minus b by m sin theta is equal to a square minus b square by minus n. Here look at the simplification. A by L cos theta, a square minus b square by minus n. First I will cross multiply with minus n. So minus a n will come. Cos theta bring here a square minus b square this side. Again I am explaining here. n ఇక్కడ తీసుకోండి సార్ మైనస్ n అవుతుంది. a square minus b square ఇక్కడ వైపు తీసుకోండి సార్. Then L into a square minus b square means just interchanging. cos theta will come, it is interchange. So a n will come here. Next one, minus b by m sin theta is equal to a square minus b square by minus n. Again n will come here, here m sir, minus n. So what will happen? bn by m into a square minus b square is equal to sin. Same method. Okay, now we know relation cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So a square n square by l square into a square b square plus b square n square by m square into a square minus b square whole square is equal to 1. What I am doing? I am keeping a square by l square, b square by m square this side plus b square by m square. a square minus b square అక్కడ తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతాను సార్, అంటే we are transposing this whole square and n square will come into denominator. Okay, so we have seen tangent condition, normal condition. Listen here everybody, very very important, because your portion has been reduced from 100% to 70%, that is 30% portion is removed. In ellipse also they have removed some of the parts in the ellipse. So whatever we have discussed, this is for examination point of view sir. So examination point of view lo anni discuss chesam sir. With this we have finished ellipse. Then we have to see hyperbola. Okay, danto conic section అయిపోతుంది sir. We have finished parabola, ellipse, we are going to complete hyperbola. Then we have completed circles, system of circles and integration. 6th chapter will be over. I think if they are going to conduct quarterly examination, you are going to have in this portion quarterly examination. Okay, right.